I am here today to take you along a little, get these floors together. They look clean from a distance, but they're not. They are actually pretty disgusting. I haven't touched them in about 2 weeks. Don't ask why, I just haven't. But if we zoom in, you can kind of see exactly what I'm talking about. There's crumbs and stuff spilled and whatever. So I'm going to get these rugs up. We're going to have to give it a good vacuum and mop. So also I have a little Sam's haul for you at the end of this video, and probably take you along with me to grill out, because okay, it's 4th of July weekend and we're going to be grilling out with the kids. So if you're interested, want to see how this all goes. Oh, and another thing, table. Just got this in recently. I've had about a month and it actually came in, and don't mind the filth and the fingerprints because it's chipped. It came in like that and I just kind of gave up on life, but that just really made me sad. I got this set from Overstock, but the good thing about it is Overstock is so awesome. No questions asked, nor did I even have to send them a picture. They sent me a new one, and this has been sitting here for about 2-3 weeks. And I'm tired of looking at it. Everybody's tired of looking at it, running into it. It's got a rip in it now, so we're gonna tackle this too. So if you're interested in watching us get this place together, get the floors clean, tabletop switched out, and grill, then keep watching. just a quick little Sam's haul, smaller than what I typically do. But it's just something for the weekend, something that I needed to replace. And I have a few things back here as well. Real quick, back here I have, what is that, a 36 count of Mountain Dew. And then I have chips. I can't remember what the count is for that. And over here, oh yeah, I had to make a Starbucks run because it is so hot. I got this is new, Cheeto popcorn flaming hot. Never tried that before, but the boys seem to really like hot stuff, so we'll give that a whirl. Lemons, I can never keep lemons in the house. I got some more onions, cuties, we love those. Pack of boneless, skinless chicken, a slab of ribs for the weekend because our plan is to grill starting tonight every day for the entire 3 days of the weekend. My husband's favorite chocolate too for the kids. Reese's Puff, Crave cereal. This is another option for lunch. Something that's hot if they don't feel like making sandwiches. This is a hot option, along with ramen noodles, which I still have a lot of that, and the macaroni cups. Have mandarin oranges. We usually refrigerate these because that's a nice cold treat. And then we have M&Ms, and again, of course, I've already told you about this. So this is my short little Sam's haul. Usually do bigger ones than this, much bigger than this. But again, this is just replenishing what I'm out of at the moment until I'm ready to do my big major hauls, which consist of Kroger, Sam's, sometimes Walmart, and definitely Target.